Is anyone home? I have a surprise for you. Oh, wow. Thank you very much. I'll make delicious watermelon jelly. Good luck. Juicy watermelon and tender avocado are just what I need for my jelly. So, let's start with watermelon. I will cut it into pieces with a spoon. The more, the better. Great! Let's move on to avocado. First, we need to peel it. And slice this amazing fruit. Now we will put our watermelon in a blender, add some sugar and lemon juice. There we go. We got an excellent result. Let's put it through a sieve and remove the pulp. Amazing! Let's go back to avocado. We will mash it to the consistency of mashed potatoes. Now I'm going to light up the stove. We're moving on to our jelly base. Add some milk, sugar, and a little bit of jelly powder. When the ingredients have dissolved in milk, you can remove the pan from the stove and move on. We have 3 fillings of avocado, coconut milk, and watermelon. Time to add the base to each of them. Ta-da! Now you can fill the mold and put it in the refrigerator. As in a real watermelon, the first layer is green, the second is white, and the last one is red. And of course some sesame seeds. While our jelly freezes, I'll make another juicy dessert from the remaining pieces. This time, I will add sugar and milk to the blender to give it a milky taste. I'll also do the same with avocado. I will put it all in a cup. Only instead of coconut milk, I used yogurt. Perfect! It remains to decorate the cup with mint and a piece of watermelon. Hooray! Delicious jelly is ready. I can't wait to try it. This dessert looks impressive. There we go. Let's see. Wow, it really is great. How sweet it is. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, then be sure to subscribe and like this video. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!